Yeah, because he's got a screw by the brakes. That's a good dog.
How does that run out? Do you have to put petrol in it?
I don't know, I presume. Well, I wouldn't trust him.
You're amazing on it.
It's so scary when you turn, like, right. It might be just because I'm left-handed, I don't know, but I find it really just... I felt like I was going to, like, fall.
And then it runs you over.
He needs such a haircut and a shave. He's got a goatee. Dog! Dog, come here! Good girl. Say hello. I did that. It's a phone, gorgeous. It's a phone. It's a phone. Look, you can see it, you can sniff it, you can't eat it. No. Wait, get lost, dog. It's a phone. Dog, get lost. Don't try to jump in front of the camera. Vain little dog. Oi!